Hey guys, Junior Smashy here today, and I will be showing you this neat little mod pack called Kovacics mod pack. And this mod pack basically it's like an auto installer for all mods. And well, not all mods, it's just a lot of mods, like 50 plus. So basically what you want to do, I'll have the link in the description. You want to go to kovacicsmodpack.com or whatever. So let me just move this thing out of the way. So once you're there, I go to the Mac website because it's just the only link I know. And you want to go over here, this nifty little spot. You want to go to Mod Pack. Once you're there, it's gonna give you it's gonna give you right here, Mac or Windows. Mac or Windows, what you want to do. Hold on one second. Sorry, I just had to close the door. It's gonna give you Mac or Windows. So depending on what you're gonna do, depending on what system you're running on, you're just gonna click which one. I'm running on Mac, so let's go to Mac. And once you're there, you're gonna go down, you're gonna go to download. It's gonna bring you here, right? It'll do this, except for I've already downloaded it, so I'll just, yeah. So once you're there, it's gonna bring you to the Kovacics mod pack thing, which is right here. I already have it there, so let me just minimize this. You're gonna open it up, and it's gonna have these 4 folders: customize, custom mods and custom skins. There you can just drag and drop stuff. Other stuff, I don't really know. This is just donating, or if you have an error, or just adding on more mods. And this is check for updates. So if you've had it for a while and it hasn't updated yet, click this, it'll refresh, and it'll give you some more update notices. So then you're going to have the Kovacics mod installer. So what you want to do is open this up. It's kind of an introduction with all this introduction stuff down here. And once you've read it, you're just going to click continue. There's some more notes, and then continue again. Then you're going to have, let's see if I can open this up. Alright, awesome, I can. So you're going to have this list of mods, and you can add on more if you want. So down here, it's going to have your remaining number of gigabytes you can use. Each one of those is like, if these is like 8 or 9 megabytes or something, or like 8.7. So yeah, so you can go ahead and just check off some of these. Like right now, I have Ray's Minimap checked off. Yeah, so once you do that, you're gonna click continue. It's gonna tell you how many megabytes it's gonna take, and then you click install. It's gonna come to this little screen. It's gonna give you one of those, like, the sounds that you get when you receive a text on an iPhone or something, and then it's gonna say install check, and all good. I've never had a problem with this. It's always good for me, always works. You're gonna have that little sound right there. You're gonna press close. And yeah, when you open up your Minecraft, you're gonna have it red as rain. Even I don't think that's a saying. It's gonna take a little bit to load up your Minecraft launcher, just because your new mods are gonna be there. Let me load this up. I don't know why this isn't working. If it doesn't load in time, I'll just probably cut there. But while I'm here, I'll just show you the uninstaller. So if you want to uninstall any mods, it's simple as this. You go to the Kovacics uninstaller. You press continue. It's the same as next, and you click install, and then it'll uninstall all the mods you have currently on your Minecraft. Are you loading Minecraft, or are you being stupid? Let me just try and do this because it never works. There we go. No, you're gonna work. You're gonna work now? Come on, Minecraft. Come on. There we go. So this is gonna load up. And in the new launcher, all the time, it'll say your name right here and right here. But this time it'll say Kovacics mod pack right here. So then you're gonna click play. Instead of saying just Mojang, it's gonna say Mojang Kovacics mod pack. I think that's what it says. It's gonna take a little bit to load, and then up here finally it's gonna say Minecraft, and it's gonna load it up. But it's taking a little while. There we go. It's gonna take a little while because this is a pretty big. It takes up a little bit of space on the computer, but it's completely worth it. So it says Kovacics mod pack right here. It takes a little bit longer than usual. So once you have that, what you want to do is it's going to open up one of these days. Let me just make it full screen. So as you can see, as you can see over here, you're going to have all this Forge stuff. It says 3 mods active because I actually have, I forgot to tell you, I have Smart Movement on, and I think I have Balkan's Weapons. So if you go to mods, oh no I don't, it's going to have this, and it's going to have a mod list. The more mods you have, the bigger the list is going to be. So if I go to single player, this is just in my test world. when I got the mods. So it's gonna. This says mismatches, but I've looked this up and I have all this information. This it doesn't matter. This, like, you can just skip it. So it says it's gonna say this. You can just click yes and it'll load the world up. You won't have any problems with this. I guarantee. I've had many experiences. So then it'll load the world up. The game is gonna get a little laggy. Yeah. Alright, so this is lagging a little bit for me. Hello. Hello, Mr. Cow. So, since I uninstalled it, because the last time I did, it didn't, like when I was showing you guys, I uninstalled it. So, all your mods should be working. If you have any comments or something, post it in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and, I hope that everything worked out. Thanks.